In this question, the observations in the form of a data are given. We have to predict the value of y corresponding to the value 14 of x, and second part is we have to predict the value of x when value of y is equal to 3. It means we have to first find both the regression coefficients, x mean, y mean, and then we have to proceed it. Okay. So, first of all, let us fill the table. For x I have already written, for y we are having now negative of 5, negative of 3, negative of 2, then 0, 1, 6, 4 and negative of 2. So, this is for x and y. Now, what we want? We want here x square, then we want y square, and then we want x and y. Is it clear? So, x square, now this becomes 100, 100, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 144, 2 to 5, 2, 5, 6 and 1 to 1. Now, summation of x is equal to summation of y is equal to summation of x square is equal to. Okay. Then we want y square. Now, y square is 25, 9, 4, 0, 1, 36, 16 and 4. Summation of y square is equal to. Then we want x and y. X and y. Negative of 50, negative of 30, negative of 22, then 0, 12, 15, 6, 90, 16 times 4, 64 and 11 times negative of 2, negative of 22. So, this is the table. Now, summation of x it becomes 96, summation of y is negative of 1, summation of x square is 1188, summation of y square is 95 and summation of xy is 42. Now, let us find the terms. Now, first of all, x mean is equal to summation for x upon n. Now, this is equal to x mean is equal to 96 upon n is how much? 8. You can just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So, x mean is 12. Okay. Now, y mean, summation of y upon n, summation of y is negative of 1 upon 8, this is negative of 0.125. So, we are having x mean and y mean. Now, we have to find regression coefficient. Regression coefficients. No. B y on x is equal to n times summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y upon n times summation of x square minus summation of x whole square. Okay. Now, 8 with summation of xy is 42 minus summation of x 96 with minus 1 upon 8 times x square is 1188 minus summation of x whole square 96 whole square. Now on solving, what we are getting, on solving this we will be getting 54 upon 36, this is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 1.5. First thing. Now, Bxy is n times summation of xy minus summation of x summation of y upon n times summation of y square minus whole square for summation of y. Now let us substitute the values. 8 with 42 minus 96 with minus 1 upon 8 times 95 summation of y square 95 minus 1 whole square. Now this becomes 432 upon 759 is equal to 0.569. Okay. Now let us move for part 1. Now part 1, what we are having, predict the value of y corresponding to the value 14 of x. Now number 1, regression line of y on x. Now it is y minus y mean is equal to by on x with x minus x mean. Now here let us put the values. Now y plus, because y mean we are having negative of 0.125, y plus 0.125 is equal to byx 1.5 times x minus 12. So this is the equation. Now when x is equal to 14, y is equal to 1.5, 14 minus 12 minus 0.125, this is equal to this becomes now 2.875. One of the answer. Now part 2. Regression line of x on y. Now this line becomes x minus x mean is equal to bxy y minus y mean. Now this is equal to x minus 12 is equal to 0.569 with y plus 0.125. One thing. Now here we want to find the value of x when value of y is 3. When y is equal to 3, x is equal to 0.569, 3 plus 0.125 plus 12. Here it is, 12 goes that side, plus 12. So this becomes now 13.778. Okay. So we are having two answers. Number 1, this answer and this as an answer. Two answers and two equations. Which was the equation? This was one of the equation and this is another equation.